All right, guys, now that you've made Wolf's Wings, let me introduce you to our ranch. It's an all-natural ranch mix that we sell in a pack that makes roughly 12 batches of ranch. It makes a ton. I did everything family size, but each batch is manageable. It's just less than 3 cups. 2.75 cups of ranch is what's made from one batch of mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now how to make it. It's very easy to do. This is the ranch that we use exclusively in our house. We no longer buy ranch from anywhere else. We've eliminated all the extra ingredients and preservatives that come in just about every other ranch, and the flavor is fantastic, whether you're using it for our wings or for pizza or burgers or anything else that you like ranch with. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with it. The ingredients and the other things that you will need to buy from the store are on the back of the bag. It tells you exactly how to make it, but this video is also designed to show you exactly what we do. The other ingredients that we need from the store is buttermilk. You'll wanna grab this from your local grocery store. They usually come in this 32 fluid ounce, 1 quart size. I don't think there's really a smaller one. You're gonna want sour cream. The absolute cheapest place to buy sour cream is Costco. It comes in a lot, but it's probably less expensive than buying a small one in the store. But if you're gonna make a lot of ranch, get this one from Costco. And then this is by far my favorite mayonnaise anywhere. It's an all-natural avocado oil mayonnaise sold by Costco as well. And it's a thick mayonnaise. Most of your all-natural mayonnaises sold at your farmer's market type stores are very liquidy. They don't have a substance. This is by far my favorite all-natural mayonnaise. And if you can get it from Costco, it's considerably less than if you try to buy it from Amazon. I will have links to it, but I don't recommend it from Amazon. If you're anywhere near a Costco and can get it from there, it also has one of the best flavors of mayonnaises that I have found. So these are the outside ingredients you're gonna need, and then you're also gonna need one of our ranch mixes. And then here's what we do. We take 1 cup of buttermilk and mayonnaise, 3/4 cups of sour cream, and we're gonna mix it in the bowl with 4 teaspoons of our ranch mix. Let's get started. I generally start with the buttermilk because it lubricates the measuring cup. That makes the other ingredients pour out of it more easily. There's just little things that I've developed. Use a cup of buttermilk. Sometimes I just pour the mayonnaise into the measuring cup. If you have enough and it comes out, you can. Otherwise, just grab a curved spatula. Those are ideal for scooping stuff out of it. A regular spatula is just flat. These are curved. Cup of mayonnaise. And because of the lubrication from the buttermilk, comes out pretty easily. And then we just need 3/4 cup of sour cream. This is a new sour cream. If yours is a little older, I recommend draining the water off of it initially. This one didn't have as much. If yours is soaking, just pour it out first. So I went ahead and just rinsed the spatula because I had mayonnaise on it and I didn't want to dip mayonnaise into my sour cream. So now I'm just going to take 3/4 cup of the sour cream. And it doesn't have to be exact. We're just about 3/4 cup, pretty close. Pour that into the bowl. After we add our ingredients, now we need to use our ranch mix. And to make a single batch, we're going to use 4 teaspoons of ranch mix inside of our bowl. So we're going to take 4 scoops. Basically just take a scoop and try to get it level. Apparently the technical term is to make it perfectly flat, but we're not technical. So we're going to use 4 scoops of mix. Now we're going to take a blender and simply mix it up. And that's it. The creamy goodness is ready. So the flavor is fantastic from the second it's mixed, but if you put it inside an airtight container, shove it in your fridge for several hours, it becomes a nice, thick, rich ranch that our whole family enjoys for just about everything we use it on. So that's it to making our homemade all-natural ranch. Pair it with our all-natural wings, and you guys have an awesome meal. On behalf of Wolf's Wings, I'm Zach Wolfe. Thank you for your time.